category, which is the challenger. Let's have the name of the winner.
And the winner is Fashionista and Educationista.
Winners of the evening Fashionista and Educationista exposition. Backing away. The first prize, or should I say, the winners of the challenger category tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, congratulations to you.
This is my 4th year with Exhibition Excellence Awards, and we've been winning and taking many awards back home. And I'm quite hopeful with the kind of hard work that my companies are putting in, we would be winning many more awards in the future. Thank you so much.